friends, welcome back to my channel Pink's Craft. So here I have taken a journey from Wattle Tunnel to go to this spa. चलो ये journey में कुछ अलग करते हैं. This is going through a bridge of beautiful place. It's looking cloudy. आप लोग देखोगे. It's looking cloudy. It seems like it's going to rain, and it's a nice turn. It's looking like I couldn't express the feeling I was going through. White mountain in front of you. They were like riding in the ghat section, riding in the curvy road. It always my admiration. And to tell you one thing, I am a new rider who started riding, so it was quite challenging for me to understand and to learn and to implement lots of stuff. Some places I was scared to do something, some places I need to take up the challenge, some places I was like no, I cannot do it, but overall I needed to do it. So I thought, why not go for it? Let's prove ourselves, and started the journey. Hey, there is a horse going around. So but after this moment I couldn't enjoy a lot because it started raining. It's a small drizzling of water started coming up, you see around. So over here I was trying to find a shelter so I can stop over and wear my rain gears. It's a snowfall, guys! This is Tuppa. After reaching Keelong and shivering in the cold, and I was riding at a -degree temperature where my hands and legs were freezing. This is the only tool which helped me to recover and go high. I'm recording this video. I'm in Jaspa and I started from Manali today. I've taken a breaker susu and Keelong had Tuppa, and after that I started riding, and when I actually crossed the Wattle Tunnel, it was snowing. I was very excited and happy. But after crossing, when I taken a break on Keelong, that time it was not snowing. But after that, heavy snow started, and it was so badly. It was snowing. It was zero visibility. I was very excitedly and started for the riding, but halfway I just left it and I was like, I couldn't do it. But somehow I got courage, started riding again. Yes, yeah, I am here. Anything for this view, I think so. So friends, you are seeing me alive, rich Jaspa, and over this next day I just got to see outside the hotel room. They are like cleaning the roof. I was like surprised कि ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, why they are cleaning. And the ice clean பண்ணி என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க, I really don't know what they are trying to do it over here. But I check in with the hotel guy. He said that is how they clean it out, clean the roof whenever they get the possible, so the ice doesn't accommodate. This is the view of my bike. The next day, have a look. It's completely covered in snow. The feeling I had, I cannot express it in words. OMG, it's sexy, cutie, lovely, paradise, heavenly, and I cannot express it. It's really out of the world, and I am thankful to God that I got to live this once in my life, being had a dream to go to Manali, never to Jaspa, but I was able to do it. Yeah, that was a good part about this journey. I tried to do a lot of stuff. So here I try to capture some of the glimpse of the photos which I try to remove. You see, like where I kept the bike in the sunny and the ice was getting melt, the view was really superb. And try to write something on top of the top box, trying to write my name, trying to enjoy the ice. So having a, it's sometimes you need to play like a kid and live like a kid and enjoy your life like a kid, because kids don't waste their don't waste in too much of thinking. Just live and let's go for it. So here I'm just trying to clean up some of the snow and also play around. I really try to capture some of the real moment here, but I couldn't do that. So over and out, I thought it's better to just capture some of the glimpse of it, try to clean it, try to play around with the snow. It was something I never dreamed that I will be able to see it, but I got an opportunity to, after a very long, like, going through there for multiple times, I got the hands off of this. This is the image which I try to capture of Jispa. Beautiful place, lovely place. The valley has a very different terrain itself. I mean, like, I could not express it with words ki kaisa feel ho raha hai, because something cannot be expressed here. And really, look at the sky, look at the valley, look at how it had been designed. I feel like a God, there is God who have created Himachal. Look at the view. Some places just meant to mesmerize it. देयर इज अ राइडर, आई एम वेटिंग कि वो निकले. ऑलमोस्ट आधा घंटे से वेट कर रही हूँ, बट बंदा निकल नहीं रहा है. ध्यान से देखो बंदे को, उसको फर्स्ट मेडल था. ये स्टार्टेड, ये guys, 10890 feet, Jaspa Valley with this beauty. मज़े वाली, मज़ा आ गया.